Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. So last night what I did was that I showed you how to use Bootstrap and how to sort of integrate Bootstrap or set up Bootstrap into your Rails app. And now I'm going to show you how to basically use a very simple authentication feature, which will be done by a gem called Devise, which is very like simple to use actually. So I'm just going to set up my, okay, so here we go. So oh sorry, I was setting up my timer so that the video takes 30 minutes or doesn't take over 30 minutes. Just going to show you how the app looks like, and also going to the gem of Devise. I mean Devise gem. Sorry. So I'm going to do like I did for the previous gem on Bootstrap. I'm just going to put it into my gem file and then follow through the sort of instruction to install it. So like you see, it's written flexible authentication solution for Rails with Warden. I don't know what is Warden actually. It might something I will take a look at. I might look at. So where is it? So it's actually somewhere there. Yeah, here we go. So just going to add this gem. Just before that, I'm going to show you how the app looks like. Nothing really fancy here. Just did a list. I may do something else later. I might actually replace those. I'm going to show you, but I'm actually maybe replace those. This list with that. I'm not sure. But let's see. It's not really important things right now. So let's start with server. And let's put our device gem into the Rails application. So this is gonna be the process every time you wanna use a library or gem, as it is called, into the Rails community or the Ruby community. So okay, so I do that, then I do the Rails generate device install. Okay, it's gonna take some time, like always. Oh, it looks like, okay, going fast tonight. Then I do that. So you will see that it will install a bunch of stuff, like the views, and I think there is a controller as well. I'm not sure, but I think so. Oh no, there is no. Ooh, I think there is stuff missing here because ensure your default appropriate blah blah blah, production blah blah blah. Oh, okay, you can. Yeah, this is. So I'm just going to set that up. So, like you're saying, it's like ensure to define default your adoption in your environment file. Here is the example for development environment. So I'm just going to do that into my setup development. Here we go. I might have something already, but I'm not sure. Action mailer, sorry. Was it action controller? So there is no action mail stuff. Alright. Then I'm going to use that as well into my application stuff. I have too many things open right now. Let's close some of them. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Might need that later on. Close. 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 All right. This is the where I put the application stuff. I'm just going to put that right here. I think this is where I should put it. I think so. I don't remember. It's here actually. Just probably have to do if stuff, but well, not really important for the moment. And okay, this is what we just did. Now, um, I mean, blah blah blah. In the following, okay. So in the following command, we will replace model with the class name used for the application user. It's frequently user, but it could also be admin. That will create a model, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'm just going to use user, and basically that will create a model. Oh, I haven't generated the view actually. So let's generate the view. But I think, yeah. So let's generate the view first. And who is that? Okay, and then I'm generating the model. So that will basically create a model for you. Call user or whatever you want to call it. I decided to call it user. And you see for creating the views, it has created all the views, confirmation stuff. I think no, that's it. I thought there was a controller actually created as well, but not. Okay, so that's probably into the gem and not into my app. And yeah, so because we created a model, now because it has changed the schema, I guess. I never take the time to look at it, but it might have changed, I think. So if you look at, no, actually not. So probably now if I do the migrate, you will update the schema, the database schema. You can see that what Hazi was saying into the sort of instruction tutorial, that the routes will be created, and this is here it is. So I can show you actually, if you go into the route, you can see that there is a new line added here. This is for the users. And yeah, the model has been created. You can see that the database schema has changed, which I can show you as well. Here we go, we have a user now. And I think after that, yeah, after that I just have to do the views actually for it. So I think I did it before. I'm just going to copy paste it because I did it in a previous project. So just going to take what I did because I don't really remember. It was, I think you can, basically it will be links where you will have like sort of like this. Oh, when you disconnected, um, but you will have the sign out and the sign in and sign up and everything. And the views are actually already created. You just have to put the link, different links to do the sign ups and sign out and sign in. So it is actually probably there. I'm not sure. Otherwise, it might be there or there. Let's see. So if you go into app, um, views, I think, and you go into layout, application. Oh, I actually forgot that. So yeah, this is what I wanted actually. So it's basically, why did I? Oh, okay, yeah. So it's more something like this. Sign up. I'm just going to copy paste because it's pretty much the same thing every time. This will be onto. Oh, this will be into the nav thing. No. Yes. Okay. So div. Okay. So this will be there. So the thing is, why is it? Why is it written that way? I mean, why isn't it? Okay. Cool. So this I don't really need that. I mean, this will be for the sign out actually. So I'm just going to call it sign out. Because you can actually, this method, the T was like for, I guess, translation, and it was for like when you want to do, when you want to have many languages into your application, when you want to translate basically your application. I don't need that, but I don't see why it's not written as Ruby actually. But I'll figure it out. No, it's not because of that. It's weird. My div stuff. Oh, the navbar was actually into the body. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, my navbar is actually into the body. What? Okay, cool. This might be a displaying program issues. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, sometimes atom is bugging. So I'm going to do that. Here, well, do that and the same. So basically, this is what the link will show. This text and this text and this text, and then you will basically point out to different routes or path as it is called, and which will lead you to different controllers. I don't have the controllers here because it's actually integrated into the library, but I can actually show you the route so that you can see different routes that has been added just because of that line right here. So device for user. So, oh, I thought it was good already. So if you look at, yeah, here we go. So if you look at that, you can see a bunch of route has been created for registration, for password, for session, and everything. So when you want to sign up, sign in, sign out, and you forgot your password and stuff like that. So this is very, very useful. I mean, that's the thing with Rails. You actually don't have to do everything yourself unless you're doing some very, very specific or complex, let's say. So So let's actually run the app so that you can see how it's working. So okay, I got 15 minutes left. So if you go there, you do the refresh, you will see there is 2 links right here, should be, but they are not showing up. Alright, and I don't know why, because I haven't saved, I think, and it's not, oh, because it's actually, what color can I put? Probably blue. I guess it will work, because if I do that, is it showing up? Yeah, there we go. You see those button right here. So I'm going to put blue. I think it's working. I'm not sure. I don't know all the classes by heart, but yeah, it's actually working. The thing is, I don't really. Why is it? So weird. I mean, oops. Okay, something went wrong for sure. Let's comment all of that. I think. Print that and here. I used to do something to comment out of it, whether it was Ruby or whatever. Okay, well, it doesn't work. Anyway, okay, so what is wrong with that? Oh, nav link maybe? Not sure. And I'm going to show you as well. Oh, okay, cool. Cool is not what I wanted to do, but fine. I mean, let's keep it that way for the moment. What is that? Okay, so this is there. Now, what I want to do is actually put it on the right side. I used to use something to do that. I think it was something right or link, blah blah blah. No item. Maybe in your app. I don't know. Views, layout, application. I'm not even sure I had authentification right here. But no, I haven't got one. Maybe this one. I think this one I have. Admin. Am I on the right? Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Cool. Cool. I think there was something to put it on the left side or on the right side, but let me check something just to see whether the screen is actually responsive. Is it working? try to do a shortcut right here, but it's like it's not working. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you completely how to do it. You go in there, it's actually written in French, but basically you click on the three dots right here on the left side of your browser. I'm using Chrome, by the way, which is the only sort of good browser on earth right now. And then you click on tools, I think, or more tools probably if I translate it, and then you will see development tools. So you click on that, and then you will see something showing up like this one, and you will be able to see whether your application is actually responsive or not. It looks like it is. I'm just going to zoom a little bit. And let's see which phone. Okay, no, it's not what I wanted. Let's put an iPhone, for example, but I think there is a better way to sort of showing it. Fit the windows, no. Maybe that. I'm not sure. Okay, there is nothing here anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna use this stuff to have a responsive or better responsiveness. So this is basically what you will add into your, this is coming from Bootstrap as well, I think. I'm not sure, but I think so. It's coming from Bootstrap. And I'm going to add that right here. Oops. And if you refresh, those things should have changed. And now, oh, here we go. Now it's a lot better. It's a lot better. Now you can change phone. Thing is, because of the tab is not responsive. But I think I can make the table. Sorry, I said the tab, but it's actually the table. I think I can make the table responsive. I think there is like something like that. Responsive, maybe, or responsive table. Not sure. Yeah, it is. You see, it's actually sort of responsive. It's not the best way of showing it, obviously, but it's actually. Oh, okay. I lost it now. Ooh, it's weird. Why am I trying like that? Oh, because I put it that way. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? What am I doing right here? Is there something wrong? Yeah. Come on. So the table was like that, and the only thing that I added is that, which huh. There's something wrong here. Because of the table, I think. Is it? Don't want to waste a lot of time here. The thing is, I wanted to show you something. So if you want to sign up, you go on that page and you can sign up now. You can sign in, sorry, and you can sign up. And then I'm actually going to show you that is working. So I'm going to put my email. I'm going to put my fake password. Fake pass. No, I mean password. Password. Sign up. Okay. Oh, because alright. Now I have to go to task, and you see that it's showing the link to sign up because this is because I'm signed in. Like the message is actually showing. Now I can sign out and get back to task. So it's something I have to do as well into the route. So in order to basically to have something called I think it was home, or not home, but like basically a way to, when you sign out, you go back to where you were in the first place. I mean, it's a welcome page. I think there was a name for it, but I forgot. So if you go into the routes, which are here, I think, yes. Yeah, you can actually do that. And you can say, okay, this is my root page, and my root page in my case is like the task controller. Is it task? I think. Yeah, it's a task. And you go index. And now, if I go there, so let's say that I'm going to sign in. I'm going to put my email, the password that I created. I can log in, and you can see that I'm logged in. So you can see that actually the authentication gem is actually working properly. And I can sign out, and it will, stay on that page because I said that the root page or the welcome page or the home page is actually that. Index is where all the tasks are actually listed out. I can show you actually, but task. No, task controller. This is the method that is called. I mean, yeah, this is a method that is called. Okay, so this is how you do basic authentication stuff. Very basic, not a lot of code written. Actually, not haven't wrote any code so far. I'm just a bit worried about how the table is actually showing up, but I don't know what to do with it. I might actually replace, like I was saying, how many time? So it's 2 minutes left, so I'm going to stop the video. I'm just going to commit and stop the video and actually start a new one. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. I'm just going to commit first. Get status. I'm going to add all of that. Git add all. Git status to make sure that everything has been added. Okay. And git push. No. Did I do the commit yet? No. Okay. Git commit set Devise set basic authentification with Devise. here we go. Git push origin. Oh my god. Origin master should be fine. Alright guys, thank you very much and see you on the next video. Bye bye.